And now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
We'll switch off. Answer one question and then pass the glasses around.
Okay.
All right.
This is Sea Lion leader Dayton Reese, and here are this week's announcements. Kindness Week is here. Let's do our best to practice kindness and check everything off your list. It's the final week to get your donations in for Jagathon. We have already earned extra recess and the DJ dance party. Let's get the Mad Science Show and the Double Dare Assembly. Kindness Week kicks off on Monday. Wear a shirt with an inspirational message. Sea Lion Chorus sounds great at the board report. Here's a reminder that practice is on Monday after school. The PTA is excited to announce Astronomy Night is back. Join us at 5:30 on Monday night. On Tuesday, you can support kindness by wearing pajamas to help us remember to dream about kindness. Third graders will be taking a final LSAT test in class on Tuesday. Good luck! On Wednesday, we're asking you to wear yellow to show that you want to bring kindness to Maga. Mr. Larson is hosting a final LSAT test for 4th and 5th graders after school on Wednesday. Report to the Media Center by 1:30 p.m. As a reminder, this is an invitation-only event. Thursday is the 100th day of school. Congratulations! We have only 80 days left until summer vacation. Let's make the most of our time by working hard, making good choices, and caring for others. Support kindness on Thursday by wearing your Western clothes. Boots and button-ups are going to be everywhere. Yeehaw! The Knights of Columbus are back on Thursday during 4th and 5th grade lunch. Let's go fishing! Pageant practice is on Thursday after school. Keep practicing your lines and dance moves. Kindness Week concludes on Friday. Let's wear our Maga spirit wear to celebrate! The Jagathon is on Friday. Eat a good breakfast and be ready to run. Thank you, parents, for all you do for Maga Elementary. That's it, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
Hey Maga, this is Mr. Larson with a Jagathon update. So by Friday afternoon, we were able to cross over the $25,000 mark. Whoa! You have done an amazing job, and that means we've earned some pretty cool prizes. So let's go down the list. The first thing is that you will have your extra recess on Tuesday. Yay! And then on Thursday, we're going to have the Bubble DJ Dance Party. That doesn't mean all the other prizes aren't coming either, because you guys are going to show up, and I'm hopeful that we're going to reach our $70,000 goal by Friday, because Friday is when everything ends. So make sure you get your donations in, make sure you get your raffle tickets in, and make sure that you send those sponsor emails. Enjoy, Sea Lions, and thanks so much for your generous donations. guys can get a mad science assembly and even have fun in a game truck. That sounds great for all the students. But what happens if we reach our $70,000 goal and we get an assembly with Miss Wood and myself? What happens to us?
On your mark. Get set. Go! All right. Go. All right, you played that. Yeah, fill that up. Get it going. Okay, spray that thing up a little more. Up. 14 seconds. Keep going. And let's cheer them on. Quickly. You've got go. Hurry up.
So there's lots of slime. Let's get 70 grand. Let's have a good time. Now, let's give away some books for those kids who earn those raw bucks. Thanks, Maga.
I got a rubber. Kindergarten.
Mrs. Sizemore wants to shout out kindergarten student from Miss Martin's class, Colton Parkinson. She writes that Colton was a great problem solver at recess today. There was a crowded area on the playground and he just turned around and went the other way. Great decision making, Colton.
First grade.
Mrs. Lyons wants to shout out first grader Samuel Villa. She says that she saw Sammy get out at Goggleball early in the game, but he handled it honestly and calmly. Way to go, Sammy. That's some raw behavior.
Second grade.
Mrs. Aniceto is shouting out second grader Aiden Beck Dizamura. She said that Aiden was super polite and asked if he could help when I was struggling to open my door in the morning. Thank you so much for being a gentleman.
Third grade.
Miss Annette wants to shout out third grader from Miss O'Brien's class, Emmett Sobovaro. She said that Emmett showed patience and responsibility. He waited patiently and didn't complain for giving up his time. Thanks so much, Emmett, for thinking of others.
Fourth grade.
Mrs. Alvarado is thrilled to shout out fourth grader Jack Brady. She said that Jack finished her project early and then went around the class to clean up some trash. Thanks so much, Jack, for taking care of the classroom.
Fifth grade.
And finally, Mrs. Olveda wants to shout out fifth grader from Miss Yuson's class, Ariel Montez. She says, thank you, Ariel, for helping on the green team. We appreciate you. And there you have it, Maga. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.